After years of dedication, countless projects, and the memories that will last a lifetime, we've reached a sad moment. This space has been so much more than just a shop. It's been our home. From the early mornings to the late nights, this place has seen it all. The challenges we've overcome, the victories we've celebrated, and the incredible journey we've walked together. But, like all good things, our time here has come to an end. It's hard to say goodbye to a place that's been so much more than just a shop. This was where we built relationships, honed our skills, and turned our dreams into reality. Every corner of this place holds a memory, and leaving it behind is not easy. This is it, guys. Welcome to the next chapter where things have gotten a whole lot bigger.
It feels so right, honey, to keep pushing into the night. Oh, it feels so good.
We're so excited to move into this new facility. Very excited to do a whole lot more projects out of this new building. We can't thank every single one of you enough for giving us the support. We thank God for the opportunity that we have to be in this new building right next door to EZ Tint, where now you're able to get everything done in one spot, from PPF ceramic coatings and window tinting. So once again, thank you so much. We're gonna see you in the next video where we're gonna do a full shop tour of what's going on inside the shop. Can't wait to show you. We'll see you in the next one.
We're fortifiers in the sky and forgers of truth.